Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today, day 16 of the bike build. It's entitled Food for Thought. What's that all about? Well, as you know, I dropped in the engine yesterday into the frame. That put a whole new perspective on things. I'm living with the concept at the moment, so it's always there for me to have a look at. And what did I do next? Well, the original bike was a motocross style bike with a high level exhaust. And I guess it would be wrong for me to discount it completely. So all today consists of is just mocking up the exhaust, tied it to the frame, roughly the position it might fit, and then see what it looks like and live with it, the concept. The alternative is to have a TD or TR3 type underslung exhaust, but I have to bear in mind that when a full fairing is fitted, hardly any of this exhaust would be on show. So I may just go down the route of the high level exhaust for now. Certainly keeps the cost down because I already own it. And because this bike is being built to be a talking point at static display shows, then maybe it will become more of a talking point than if it was just a exact race rep with underslung pipes. Anyway, that's what food for thought is, so let's have a look at the photos and let's just live with it for a few days and see where we go. I'm still waiting for the fairing to arrive because that will trigger a whole load of work. So thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.